Week 11 is a vegetarian week, so we have a miso glazed eggplant today. This is cooked fully in the oven, so all we need to do is prep the eggplant, prep the sauce, put the eggplant in the oven, cook it for about 15-20 minutes at 425, take it out, brush it with the sauce, the miso sauce, and then put it in under the broiler for about another 4 or 5 minutes. Garnish it, and there you have the dish. So for the eggplants, I cut them into wedges. So I'll put these into this bowl. And then this is olive oil. So we'll generously put olive oil into this bowl, toss it around. You might need a little bit more. Don't skimp on the oil here because otherwise this will not cook. Put salt, and then pepper. Make sure it's coated well. So there are two ways to do this. Either you can brush everything on and then marinate it, or do it the way that I'm doing it. So there you have it. So what we'll do is eggplants in this tray. The eggplant is ready for the oven. We'll put that in. But before we put it in, let's prepare the sauce. We don't need to put the sauce right now. So I have white miso paste here. I added a little bit of water to make it softer. And then to this I have, this is 4 teaspoons of ginger. So we'll add that. This is 1 teaspoon of vinegar, white vinegar. And then we have soy sauce. It's about 1 teaspoon. And then this is sesame oil. It's about 2 teaspoons. And then we'll put half of these white sesame seeds. And we'll keep the other half for the top. And also we have the onions, the green onions for the garnish. So that will go on top. So we don't need any salt in here or pepper. If you want to add a little bit of pepper later on, that's fine. This is ready. So let's put this in the oven and come back, show you the glazing, and then we'll put it back into under the broiler in high for about 4 or 5 minutes. Once are fully cooked, so what we will do is we'll brush the miso mixture on the eggplant. Be liberal with it. We've gone through once with all of it. So then what we will do is make sure that we utilize all of this and brush it again just to cover everything. That looks pretty good. So we'll put this back under the broiler for 5 minutes. So 2.5 minutes, and then I will turn the tray around for another 2.5 minutes so that it browns evenly. It has come out of the broiler. So what we'll do is we'll put a little bit of sesame seeds on top of this. We'll keep a little bit for garnish at the end, but just a little bit. It's hot, so it'll stick. And then just a little bit of garnish as well of the green onions. We'll serve this with a small salad. Miso-glazed eggplant is done. I made a quick kale salad to go with it. Simple vinaigrette. And that's it for the day. See you tomorrow with another vegetarian dish. Have a great night and bon appetit.